All right, so this is one of the ones you can check your answers as you go. So for this one in cell D7, you're using arithmetic operators to find the cost of Gouda ordered by multiplying C7, oops, did you equals C7 by cell I7. And then once you create that formula, you're going to click and drag down, right? Check your answers. If it looks good, yes, it does. We're going to keep moving. Number 2 says, use the sum function to calculate the total pounds of cheese ordered in cell C14. So I'm going to do equals sum, open parentheses. Oh, I hate when it does that. And we're going to highlight these cells, hit enter. We got 9.8. And then what that's going to do is we're going to total cost of the order. Over here, we can do the same thing, equals sum. I'm going to drag that like that and hit enter. And I'm going to check that. I should have 4 out of 8. Yep. Number 3 says use the fill handles to complete the list of cheese numbers. Right over here. We're going to drag that down. Oh no, we don't want to do it that way. So we're going to select both of them so it knows that we're numbering. There we go. And then use the functions to calculate the average price of a pound of cheese in I14, right? So we're going to equals average. Going to do this. And then we're going to do the average cost. It's 8.75. Oh, yeah, that's price per pound. And then the lowest price, so we're going to do equals min. And we're going to do it like that. And then we're going to do equals max. Same thing. Highlight them and hit enter. Check your answers. 8 out of 8. Fantastic. You can score the lab. That's it.